Cafe 3 AM. I hope you all are doing great. And today I'm going to share with you an appetizer called Paneer Pakoda. It's a very quick recipe, just needs 15 minutes of your time. So let's see what all ingredients do we need for making it. 1/4 tablespoon nigella seeds, 1/4 tablespoon carom seeds, salt to taste, 1/4 tablespoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 1/4 tablespoon sabji masala, 1/4 tablespoon chaat masala, ginger and green chili paste, 2 tablespoon rice flour. You can also take brown rice flour, and 1 cup of besan or chickpea flour, pinch of hing or asafoetida, 1/4 tablespoon dry kasuri methi or fenugreek seeds, and 500 grams of paneer, or we call it cottage cheese also. Now friends, we'll begin cutting our paneer into 4 pieces each. I've taken 2 slices here. We'll cut into 4 pieces. Like this, we'll cut all our paneer pieces. So I've cut paneer into pieces. Now we will begin with the batter. Let's take a bowl, add 1 cup of chickpea flour, 2 tablespoons of rice flour, add all the spices. I'm adding carom seed, nigella seed, sabji masala, half tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, turmeric powder, salt to taste. I have added half tablespoon. You can add as much as you want. And this is ginger and green chili paste. I'm adding half tablespoon, and now we'll mix it. Mix it all together and then start adding water slowly until it is a fine paste. You don't have to make a very thin batter. It should be slightly thick so that it can coat paneer well. So friends, now our batter is prepared. It's not very thin as you see this. I'll add some fenugreek leaves. Now we'll add a pinch of hing. Mix everything together. Let it rest for 5 minutes and then we will start. So friends, it's been 5 minutes. Let's start coating all the paneer into the batter. Coat it from all the sides. And after you have done that, we will start frying. So we have already dipped paneer pieces into the batter, and now we will start frying. I have already heated up some oil in the pan. 4 or 5 pieces will be enough at one time. Very gently flip it to the other side. So this is how we'll keep flipping on both sides. So friends, my husband is eagerly waiting to eat this as soon as it is fried. Let's see if it is done. So friends, our paneer pakodas are done. Let's serve them with green chutney. So friends, our paneer pakodas are ready. We just have to sprinkle some chaat masala, serve it hot with green chutneys, and do let me know how was it. Till then, happy cooking and have a nice day.